Tired of last-minute cancellations leaving holes in your schedule and your wallet? Ever wish there was a way to ensure clients are truly committed to their appointments, right from the moment they book? If you've been nodding along, then you're in the right place, because today we're diving deep into a game-changer for service-based businesses. Requiring deposits on Setmore. We've all been there. You block out time in your calendar, turn away other potential clients, only for someone to no-show or cancel at the 11th hour. It's frustrating, it costs you money, and it can seriously disrupt your day. That's where deposits come in. By requiring a small upfront payment, you're not just securing a portion of your income, you're also boosting client commitment and significantly reducing those dreaded no-shows. Think of it as a win-win. Your clients are more invested in showing up, and you gain peace of mind and a more reliable income stream. Setmore, as many of you know, is an incredible tool for managing your appointments and streamlining your booking process. But it's even more powerful when you unlock its full potential, and that includes its robust payment features. Setting up deposits on Setmore is surprisingly straightforward, yet it offers a massive impact on your business's efficiency and profitability. Before we jump into the step-by-step, let's quickly touch on why this is so important. Beyond reducing no-shows, requiring deposits also helps you manage your cash flow more effectively. You have a portion of the payment upfront, which can be invaluable for purchasing supplies, paying for overheads, or simply knowing your income is more predictable. It also professionalizes your service. When clients see you require a deposit, it signals that your time and expertise are valuable, and it sets a clear expectation from the outset. This isn't just about protecting yourself. It's about building a more professional and reliable business operation. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually set this up in Setmore? First things first, you'll need a Setmore account, and to collect deposits, you'll need to have one of their supported payment integrations activated. Setmore works seamlessly with popular gateways like Square, Stripe, and PayPal. If you haven't already connected one of these, that's your starting point. It's usually a quick process through the Apps and Integrations section in your Setmore dashboard. Once your chosen payment gateway is linked, you're ready to configure those deposits. Alright, let's head into your Setmore account. You'll want to navigate to Settings on the left-hand menu. From there, look for Payments. This is where the magic happens. Under Payments, you'll see a section called Booking Page Payments. This is crucial because this is where you enable your customers to pay for services directly through your online booking page. Make sure the Accept Payments on my booking page switch is toggled to On. If it's off, your customers won't be able to pay anything, including deposits, online. Now, for the actual deposit setup, you're looking for the option to apply a fee, discount, or deposit at the time of booking. You might see a button that says Add Charges or Reduction. Click that. This will open up a new menu where you can define your deposit. Here's a key step. For the type, you'll want to select Reduction. This might seem counterintuitive at first, as you're requiring a payment. However, Setmore clever handles deposits by treating them as a reduction on the total cost that is paid upfront. So, if a service costs $100 and you want a 20% deposit, you're essentially telling Setmore to collect $20 upfront and reduce the remaining balance by $20. The customer sees the full price, but the amount required at the time of booking is the deposit. Next, give your deposit a clear name. Something like deposit or booking deposit works perfectly. Remember, what you enter here will be visible to your customers on the booking page, so make it clear and professional. Now, the most important part, apply as. Here, you have two main options, percentage or fixed amount. If you choose percentage, you'll then specify the percentage of the service cost that you want as a deposit. So, if you want a 20% deposit on a $100 service, you would enter 20. Setmore automatically calculates the dollar amount. This is often the most flexible option, as it scales with the cost of your services. If you opt for fixed amount, you'll enter a specific dollar value. This is useful if you want a flat deposit regardless of the service chosen, or if you have a specific low-cost service where a percentage might be too small. For example, you might require a flat $25 deposit for all appointments, regardless of the service. Once you've made your selection and entered the percentage or fixed amount, hit Save Changes. And just like that, you've set up your deposit requirement. But what does this look like for your customers? When they go to book an appointment on your Setmore booking page, they'll select their service and time slot as usual. When they reach the payment step, they will be prompted to pay the deposit amount you've configured. The full price of the service will typically be displayed, but the amount they need to pay to confirm the booking will be the deposit. Once they complete the payment, their appointment is confirmed, and the deposit is recorded in your Setmore account. Now, what about the remainder of the payment? Setmore makes that easy too. When the client comes in for their appointment, or whenever you're ready to collect the balance, you can simply open the appointment in your Setmore calendar. You'll see a Payment tab or a Pay Now button. Clicking on it will show you that a deposit has already been paid. From there, you can process the remaining balance, whether it's via your connected payment gateway for card payments or by recording a cash payment. The system keeps a clear record of all transactions associated with that appointment, making your bookkeeping a breeze. A couple of important notes. Firstly, ensure your terms and conditions regarding deposits are clear to your clients. This includes your refund policy if an appointment is canceled or rescheduled. You can often add this information to your service descriptions or your booking page's general information on Setmore. Secondly, always verify that your payment gateway is fully connected and active. A disconnected gateway means no online payments, and thus no deposits. Lastly, remember that requiring deposits is typically a feature available on Setmore's paid plans, Pro or Team. While Setmore offers a fantastic free plan, advanced payment features like deposits usually come with the upgraded versions, which are absolutely worth the investment for the added security and professionalism they bring to your business. Requiring deposits on Setmore is more than just a setting. It's a strategic move that empowers you to take control of your schedule, reduce financial losses from no-shows, and create a more reliable and professional booking experience for both you and your clients. It streamlines your operations, gives you peace of mind, and ultimately helps your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.